Hello everyone. Welcome to Graphic Vision. If you have not subscribed to this channel, so quickly click on the subscribe button. Today we will create a logo using Golden Ratio-Technik. First of all, copy this circle and paste it. After this, copy another circle and paste it. Now click on the small circle, and drag it to left side where it will intersect the bigger circle. While selecting this circle, press Alt plus Shift on the keyboard, and duplicate a copy from it and drag it right side. Then click on the big circle and duplicate it, and drag it to the right side. Do this once again. Copy a circle and paste it, and duplicate one more circle. Drag it to the right side. Now copy this circle and paste it. Now drag this circle down. Copy another circle and paste it, and drag it little bit up. Then copy this small circle and paste it, and place it like this. Make these center align. After all this, go to Live Paint Bucket tool and select it. Now, fill the color in the shape. Select the shape, and go to Object tool and select Expand option. Then go to Pathfinder tool and select Merge option. Give the shape stroke. Now I am going to make its nose. Add text if you want to. I am adding pets text under this logo. Now our logo is done. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.